everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Oracle Touch with us in the shop. And pretty much it came in because when you put power to the machine, whether that's plugging it into the wall or turning it on, there was a very loud humming noise coming from the machine during all stages, off, on, brewing, making steam. And so when we opened up the lid, it turns out it was the triad board had just went bad, and it was making the valves act up. And so we replaced that, and we also replaced both NTC sensors on your machine because they were bringing up error codes, so they're probably also going out as well. But now we're going to do a test shot on the machine. I'm going to start doing espresso. I'm going to grind coffee. Alright, as you can see, grinder working great. Put that in the machine. Go from the other side actually. We're going to brew. Of course, I didn't calibrate the grinder to your machine or to the coffee, so don't worry if it runs too fast or too slow. We're just wanting to make sure water comes out. And this machine's been on for the past 2 or so hours, so just to make sure that it is not humming or anything like that. And there's that for you. Now we're going to test the milk. I did clean this steam on a little bit using Rinza because it had a bad smell to it. Working well, and then hot water being the last thing. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.